It's hard to thread my needle, you know. Not because I can't see. I can see now, but I can't do what with my nails. It's like a constant battle. Yes, got it, yeah. Okay, so let's just get rid of that. I'm just going to unplug the iron. There we go. Let that cool down. And I think I do want to do a cream one, so I'm going to do this one. I'm just going to move those to one side. Now, let me get this out of the way. Put that back in a pot. And we're just going to do this one. I actually want to see if this works as it does with the other, like a normal lace or ribbon. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I kind of like that. No, it's alright, I'm going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll only do 5 today. 5 petals in this one, I mean. Oh, did I? I'm not sure if I told everybody. I got the date through for my cardio. You know, for the cardiologist. They're going to do that 3D of my heart on the 3rd. The 3rd of September. Not too far away. So that was pretty quick. Yeah. And I shall keep you all posted, of course. Right, so I'm going to pull this a little bit, so I don't want this one too long here. Wait a minute, because it's getting caught. That's it. So I'm just going to do that. I love the gather on these. So I've cut this about 5 inches wide. Each petal, okay? I'm just going to triple knot it just for safety. That's all, nothing else. So that's that one. I'm going to take a little bit of this. And we do sell this wadding in the shop. This is the wool one. I usually cover books with, or you know, do a plaque with or something. Okie dokie, so I'm just going to spread this one out. I love this one. But I haven't finished with it yet because I actually want to use the lighter on it. It can stay shabby chic like that if I want. But I actually want to use the lighter on it. And see what happens. Just get that working how I want it. Like that. Right. If I cock it up, I cock it up. There's nothing I can do about it, folks. I'm going to have to get rid of this glue stick because it's not right. And use the milky ones. I prefer this one anyway. Okay, so that sits in the middle there. Like that. Now, before I do anything else, where did I put my pouch? I want a yellow. Here we go. Not that one, that one. Might need to use orange, I'm not sure. So we're just going to colour this a bit. Told you I wanted to play. We like playing. Okay, that's that. And then I need a black. So I am actually going to use my Sharpie. And that will bleed out into the flower. Perfect, looking good, love it. This is the trick. So I'm holding it underneath. Because it's all shabby on the ends. Will it work? I don't know. I don't want it, you see. I'd like the flower to last, but if I don't see to the ends and I keep it shabby, it's not going to last. It will eventually loosen all the fibres. But I actually love this flower. That has turned out perfect. Love it. Just get that yellow one again. Not quite finished with it. You know, you can spot places that you don't normally. I'm not looking above, you see. Wow. Yeah, I kind of like that. Now the only bit that's bugging me is that bit. So I'm just going to trim that bit off. Then I take my lighter and just sort that out. That's it, that's it. Done. That's it, that's it. Yeah, I like it. And there's the, well, what can you call it? What do you think it's like? Simple, really. Do you know what? I'm going to do a different colour. It's more of a carnation type thing now. Okay, so let's have a look. Put this here. What? Oh, the glue gun's gone off. Must have knocked it off. Sorry, you'll have to hang on. But I'm just going to colour this while I'm waiting anyway. Okay, so now we've got that. And I'm going to go in for a dark rustic red, I think. It's quite nice. I'll go for this end. Let's just see. Now, I'm going to brush it out. Okay, let's have a look. Put that one back on there, and then we'll do the black in the middle. Yeah, they're quite nice, aren't they? But I prefer, although I haven't burnt these yet, let's have a look. can't make my mind up now. You could leave them as they were, or do it this way. I'm not bothered which, to be honest. I'm just not bothered which. I do like that. I love that. What lovely little flowers. They're different, aren't they? Let's do one more before my... at 17:53 UK time. I'm filming! I'm filming, everybody. Right, I'm just cutting another base. I can't answer your calls, folks. We'll pop it on there first. That's just letting me know that somebody has rang. I know, but whoever it is will have to hang on and wait. Pop that on there. Now, I'm going to do the, put this one back, and that one, and that one, and we'll do a dark green, what do you think, on top of that lighter green. Yeah. Right, and then we'll do the black in the centre. Like that. And I'm not keen on it like that with the shabby edge, but the minute you start and do this with it, it kind of like brings the flower together for some reason. It gives me the look I'm after. You know. And yeah, I just want to go over that a little bit more. Oops, a daisy. Let's just get that right. Yeah. Well, I like those. I hope you do too. I'm just going to darken that one a little bit more. And darken that one a bit more. But yeah, I do like them. So thanks for watching. Take care. Speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.